if you want to transfer songs into your Apple Watch, you have to start by opening Watch application on your iPhone, and right now you have to scroll down and search for music application. Open it, and now you will have to scroll down over here, click to add music, and you can simply pick something from your library, playlists, artists, complications, or for example, downloaded songs. Let's say that I want to add this song into my watch, so I have to click on this icon, and now as you can see, it was transferred. So now we can actually check if it is really working. So we have to open the music application on our Apple Watch. There we go. I can find some playlists already, but I'm looking for a specific song. And as you can see now, it's available. So yeah, that's how it looks. As you can see, it is actually quite simple, and I hope you find it useful.